I will talk about how can you find your favorite smell on your Fastic app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just click here on add meal here. So when you just click here on add meal here, so then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. So then all you have to do, you just click here on favorites, just click on it here. So then it's going to show for you like this here. Then here you will find all favorites you have. So I have no favorites here, but if you have it, you will find it here in this list on your Fastic app. So that's all you have to do. I wish know you agree. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.